M134 Gau-17 Gatling gun. How lethal is it? Gatling means rapid fire. It's a crank-driven gun with a clustered barrel. General Electric manufactures it. M134 Gau-17 Gatling gun is the version of the M134 widely used in the Vietnam War. It is currently serving in USN, USAF, U.S. Army. M134 Gau-17 Gatling gun specifications. Weight, 38 kilograms. Length, 29.5 inch. Caliber, 7.62 x 51 mm NATO. Barrel length, 22 inch. Rate of fire, 2,000–6,000 revolutions per minute. Action, electrically driven rotary breech. Gatling gun muzzle velocity, 2,800 feet/sec. Maximum range, 1,093 yards. Currently, this gun is serving the armed forces from all over the world such as Afghanistan, Brazil, Austria, Australia, Canada, Chile, Colombia, Czech Republic, Egypt, Finland, Georgia, France, Israel, India, Iraq, Jordan, Japan, Italy, Malaysia, Kenya, Mexico, Netherlands, Prague, Pakistan, Peru, Norway, Philippines, Qatar, Saudi Arab, Singapore, South Korea, Turkey, Spain, Thailand, Tunisia. History. Right after World War II, United States Air Force felt much needed improved gun system for their aircraft. Old weapons systems like the M2.50 caliber were becoming obsolete by aircraft and needed a more lethal weapon with increased range. In the 1880s, Richard J. Gatling reintroduced the multi-barreled rotary weapon under the Army Ordnance, Research, and Development. Early tests gave the vintage Gatling gun, but when powered with the electric motor in place of the usual hand crank, it showed more power, and it was able to achieve fire rates of 4,000 rounds per minute. The General Electric Company created this weapon under the project name, Vulcan, in 1946. Assigned to produce T-guns in the caliber prototype, assembled in 3 different calibers: 60 calibers, 20 mm, and 27 mm. After the series of tests, the 20 mm was chosen for another set of tests to know whether it could mount on an aircraft weapon. The gun was known as M61 20mm cannon and started serving in the USA Army and Air Force. Modification. The M61 weapon system was redesigned as the helicopters came into modern warfare, redesigned to use the helicopters. After that, the M134 was introduced. This new weapon system was similar to the M61A1 but fired smaller 7.62mm percussion-primed rifle cartridges fired at 6,000 revolutions per minute. During the Vietnam War, M134 was used in the helicopters like Ohio 6, Cayuse, and Ah-1 Cobra, UH-1 Iroquois. In those helicopters, only the pilot and co-pilot could fire that weapon. The Gau-17 is similar to the M134. The only difference is that Gau-17 is more lethal, and it can fire at high, 4,000 revolutions per minute, and low, 2,000 revolutions per minute. The Gau-17 is currently serving on the Ah-1N and H-60 helicopters, also on the numbers of American particular aircraft, helicopters, and boats. Gau-17 system works on the system consisting of a 6-barrel rotary M134D gun system. Barrels are made of titanium suppressors, and the barrel unit rotates counterclockwise from behind the trigger. Gau-17 weapon system is highly demanded and highly prized in the USA military. Thanks for watching.